PICO 啊？係啦，你要識去 formulate 一個咁嘅 question 啊，有晒 PICO，即係 is 一個 intervention compared to 你 define 嘅 comparator，或者嗰個 scenario 俾你嘅 comparator。Is it more effective in improving your target outcome? Question mark 啊，識 set up 一個咁嘅 question。OK？好啦 ，meta-analysis 做啲乜嘢㗎？我記得咧 meta-analysis 我都有睇過啦。其實佢就係即係你做完 systematic review 入揾咗好多 similar 嘅 study，佢哋可能咧有 similar 嘅 intervention 啦，similar 嘅 measure 咗 similar 嘅 outcome 啦，然後我哋嘗試去 synthesize 呢啲 single independent study using statistical method 去 calculate 一個 overall effect。咁我哋會有個 pooled estimate from multiple study 係啦。咁啊，要知道meta-analysis 係啲乜嘢啦？即係你會拎到一個 overall pooled estimate，然後俾你一個 idea，究竟呢個 intervention 唔 effective，個 effect size 話咗俾你聽嗰個 magnitude 係點樣。咁啊，係一個 statistical method 啦，去 pool嗰個 effect estimate。OK？咁我記住咯，蘋果 to 蘋果嘅意思咧，佢哋一定要係 similar 嘅 study，你唔可以去 compare 夾硬鋪埋士多啤梨同橙噶嘛。咁所以個 criteria 就係你嗰啲 study 一定要 address 一個 similar 嘅 research question。係啦，你係做一個 review，你都去揾 similar 嘅 study 去 include 噶啦，你唔可以乜都炒埋一碟噶嘛。好，咁上回咧教咗你哋睇 forest plot，但係嗰個係俾你一個技能嘅啫，等你去識得點樣睇人哋啲 meta analysis。咁我嘅重點咧會擺喺嗰個 circle 嘅 I square heterogeneity。究竟 heterogeneity 代表啲乜嘢啊？係啦。Heterogeneity 咧話到俾你聽嗰個 variation of effect sizes across study，究竟佢哋呢啲咁多唔同嘅 study 你鋪埋一齊，佢哋之間個 variation 係點咧？有機會咧一個 study 係 positive finding，一個 study 係 negative finding，咁佢哋個 variation 個差異咪好大咯。咁當然呢個 heterogeneity 有機會可能係源於個 study design 啊，其他好多 unknown 嘅 factor，但係 at least 你要知道 heterogeneity 佢代表個 variation in effect sizes across study。Okay? Variation 到等我一陣。好，critical appraisal 好似啱啱都有出現過呢一版啦。咁我哋做 systematic review meta-analysis 唔係去 generate 一啲 primary data，而係透過呢啲 study 咧，我哋要去拎一啲 valid 嘅 results 去諗下究竟呢啲 results 咧係咪 clinical and statistical important to your field to your context。所以個重點係做啲咩啊？係睇下佢個 values 啊、relevance 啊、trustworthiness 啊。咁個 validity 你要去睇下個 methodology quality 啊。 而佢呢個 finding 可唔可以 generalize to 個 clinical setting？係啦，呢啲 definition 通常都要認識啦。咁啊，我點解又出現呢一版咧？其實呢個係我上次有出現過一個 recap of 以南嘅 lecture content。我記得以南嗰啲 slide 咧係詳細好多嘅，每個 bias 咧都有一版去介紹嘅。但係我就嘗試牽出下你哋咧，真係要睇下啲 bias 喎。OK，咁有啲咧以南冇 cover 嗰啲真係冇咁重要啦嚇。你去翻人哋嗰啲 slide 睇翻究竟 selection bias 係點，仲有啲咩 bias 啊？performance bias，譬如好 common 嘅 attrition bias、detection bias、contamination 係啦，呢啲要識喎。咁陣間我哋有啲練習，我哋再去 explore 一下呢啲 bias 啊，因為呢個唔係我 lecture 嘅主重點嚟㗎，但係我睇到就話俾你聽。好，RCT 喺我嗰堂有 cover 到，但係咧最主要最多 content 喺以南嗰啲 slide 啦，係啦。不過要知道冇可能唔知啦，講咗咁多堂 RCT 係啲乜嘢，咁好重要佢嘅 key characteristic 係啲乜嘢啦。咁啊 randomization 係好重要喎，咁佢有啲咩 function 啊？佢做緊啲乜嘢啊？我呢版就好緊要啦。首先就係 balance 個 confinders，ensure comparability，去 minimize 個 selection bias 係咪？最重要 RCT 可以 support 到啲咩 inference？就係嗰個 cause effect 啊嘛 ，causality，去 determine 嗰個 efficacy 係啦。咁當然唔係話你 RCT 呢個 study design 個篇文一定好，最重要係咩啊？佢要有 high internal validity 係啦，所以點解我哋要 appraise 佢個 methodology 做成？咁我上次咧有上學同你哋解釋過咩係 parallel，咩係 crossover，咩係 factorial。crossover design 係點樣㗎？從呢幅圖最重要嘅 keywords 一隻字 sequence 係啦，我哋 test 下究竟嗰個 sequence 係咪重要咧？我翻去溫下。咁我教你哋 assessing methodology quality 咧，有呢8個 domain 喎。好啦，咁啱啱講咗 randomization 係啦，記得 randomization。cluster randomization，因為好多時候我哋睇 individual 就明啦。咁 cluster randomization 咧，佢做緊啲乜嘢嘅咧？好似我上次講話如果你係喺 background 做嘅 intervention，更好咧就係 cluster 嘅 randomizer。你冇可能隔離床有另一個 intervention，你就做緊阿 B，因為隔離床會偷聽到你講乜嘢噶嘛，佢咁近係咪？咁好容易有 contamination，所以了解下 cluster randomization 有咩好處啊？點樣做㗎？好，之後。最緊要嗰個係 allocation concealment，點解咁重要啊？去 minimize 嗰個 selection bias。咁concealing allocation until assignment occurs，呢個係個 key 啦。好，咁呢版講 blinding 同埋嗰個 exclusion bias。 更重要咧係，如果冇做 bias，risk of no blinding 有啲咩唔好啊？
又要揾我嘅
可能呢版咧，我唔係真係要你識去計嗰個 sample size，而係我哋有個 concept，如果個 sample size 越大咧，代表啲乜嘢咧？我哋講就係嗰個 statistical power。OK，statistical power 會你個 sample size increase，個 statistical power of your study 就會 enhance 啦。依家 research 咧最大嘅問題咧就係、是、我哋好多 study 咧都係啲 small studies 咧，small sample size 就會 limit 個 generalization。係啦，你淨係喺咁細嘅 population 可能得到30人，你點樣去 generalize 你嘅 finding applying to a larger population？ 咁呢個就係依家個 research related barrier 啦。好。intervention 咧，我哋咧，即係尤其是 behavioral intervention，我哋要去 measure 究竟，去 monitor 究竟嗰個 participant 嘅 adherence，我哋先知道究竟我哋個 result 唔 reliable。因為就算你叫佢即係叫個 patient 記得一日咧要做10分鐘練習啊，咁你又唔知佢有冇做。咁如果佢冇做 poor adherence，咁你個 result 就唔準確啦。咁如果 poor adherence，咁 more likely 你個 treatment effect 會係高咗定低咗啊？低咗係咪啊？低咗記得咯喎。如果 poor adherence to 個 intervention，個 treatment effect observed 會 decrease，attenuate 會低咗。好，呢個又係 recap 個 placebo。如果你冇 placebo，咁會有咩問題？intervention group 佢知道自己有嘢先，佢就會有動力啲，好似拎咗啲嘢翻屋企學咗啲嘢啊嘛，積極啲啊嘛。control group 咧，佢知道自己喺 control group 或者佢冇嘢 receive 咧，佢可能會 drop out。或者 low adherence，bias 就會 introduce，咁你要識得呢個冇 placebo 嘅 issues。好啦，如果我哋睇 outcome 咧，啱啱我同你一齊去 assess 人哋個 outcome measurement，要留意啲咩啊？嗰個 questionnaire 個 instrument 係咪 validated？嗰個 study drama 嗰個 study 咧就係 6-minute walk，咁佢唔係 questionnaire 啦，但係佢都係一個 validated method。但係更重要咧係嗰個 outcome assessor 咧，佢識唔識做？佢知唔知嗰個 procedure 係點㗎？所以咧你要 train 嗰個 assessor 去做呢個，我以為有人舉手去做呢個assessment 所以 training validator scale 好緊要喎 training。你唔係求其揾個 PCA 去同人哋做 6-minute walk 㗎嘛？你都要 train 咗佢㗎嘛 ？OK？ 好，呢個 ITT 係啦 ，ITT 好緊要。點解我哋要去 analyze 嗰啲 finding based on 佢 originally assigned intervention group 啊？記唔記得我哋喺做呢個 study 開初咧，我哋做咗 randomization 㗎嘛？如果你唔係 according to the original group，咁 咁佢當初 randomization 個 benefits 咪冇咗咯。係啦，你 remove 咗某啲 participant 之後咧，佢哋兩 group 人就可能啲 characteristic 就唔 balance 噶咯喎。所以點解我哋通常都係去 maintain preserve 翻嗰個 ITT。好 per protocol 咧，要知道嗰個 method 係點。原來佢係 restrict 嗰啲 analysis to only those participants completed intervention exactly as specified。係啦，如果有 major 嘅 protocol deviation，你會 exclude 佢哋嘅。最後咧，呢度得一個 checklist 你要記住啦，個 reporting transparency。我哋 RCT 係用咩啊？用 consult。有時間先去 go through，但係 at least 你要認識 RCT standardized 嘅reporting checklist 係 consult。踏出呢個門口，如果認識到 consult，俾啲面咁嚟咯喎，我哋練習咯喎，入去咯喎。
冇嘢喎。
係咩？
洗個檔先。
睇到嘛？手機睇到嘛？OK。我啱啱溫完咯喎，咁咪100% 嘅人都答啱嘅。
雞絲嘅。
OK，都起碼多過一半嘅人答啱喎。我啱啱佢話 variation，咁你考試會有好多同義詞㗎嘛，咁記得 variation 咯喎。differences in magnitude or direction of treatment effects, effect size, between studies。Okay？有冇人答其他答案嗰啲仲？你有冇？啱啱話 variation in effect sizes，咁咪即係 differences in treatment effects。OK？ 好啦，下一條啦。最多人揀嗰個啱唔啱咧？邊句係重點啊？同埋咧另一句都好重要就係佢有 higher baseline academic performance，即係有一 group 人咧係 baseline 已經唔同啦，有冇 randomize？OK，冇 randomize 已經係致命啦，即係你會有呢啲 scenario 咯，你要識得分咯。好，下一個。A researcher is concerned that their study may fail to detect a true difference between treatment groups. Which modification would most effectively reduce the risk of type 2 error? 好，係啦，啱啱我就講過啦，increasing sample size 就會 increase 你個 statistical power of the study。咁你 fall into 嗰啲type 2 error 咪會少咗咯。好 ，ready 去下一題咯喎。What is the primary purpose of sharing research finding？ 哇！我重複咗3次啦，呢個真係。你就爭啲就零噶咯喎。Fulfill publication requirement，我有陣打佢，雖然我都要，但係嗰個唔係最重要。我哋要好似官員客觀啲，我哋要 dissemination of research evidence 去 guide clinical 嘅 practice。OK？真係了解我都要 fulfill 好多 requirement。
21條
好，下一題 In a behavioral intervention study, different assessors are scoring patients differently due to a lack of training. What is the best way to reduce this source of measurement error? 可唔可以全部人答啱啊？呢題
係咪話有嗰個佢係正啱嘅人士？
可以
第一
啩？
半咯，一份卷
挑戰冇可能零啊！
都冇佢，都關佢事咯。
一半喎，真係非常之
呢個咁重寫好。但係都理解到嘅，雖然我重複咗好多 increase sample size，但係嗰個係 increase 個 statistical power。咁呢個係 measurement error。measurement error 仲要係咩啊 ？validated 嘅 instrument， 同埋你要 train 嗰個人去 perform consistent 嘅 assessment， 好冇？可唔可以下次得100% 咧？In a clinical trial, some patients assigned to the treatment group and then discontinue the medication. The researchers still analyze all participants according to their initial group assignment. This approach is primarily used to呢個有少少難。呢個係少少難，但係首先第一條問題，佢係用咗邊個 approach 啊？ITT 定係 per protocol 啊？ITT 係啊，ITT 我啱啱話 ITT 點解好啊？要 maintain 啊？因為當初我哋做 RCT 做咗 randomization 㗎嘛，咁我哋要 preserve 翻佢個 balance 佢個 benefits 啊嘛。就係我哋做完 randomization，佢哋係 comparable at baseline。如果你依家 analysis 又同佢哋倒轉翻啲 group，咁佢哋咪又唔 balance 咯。所以我哋依家係要 maintain 個 comparability between group created by randomization。呢個原諒你哋，因為佢有兩個 question 喺入邊嘅，但係你都要識咯喎依家。首先分咗佢係咩 analysis， 佢有咩好處？好，去到 during data analysis, researchers remove participants who miss multiple doses or deviate from the study procedure, limiting the analysis to fully compliant patient participants。我覺得好簡單咧，好 straightforward 啫個。成敗在此啊！有冇100啊？唔識啊？我幾時教過 modify 嘅 ITT 啊？邊個教 modify 嘅 ITT？好，另一個 stratify 嘅 analysis， 哇！幾時學啲咁難嘅嘢啊？係啦，係 per protocol。今晚翻去再生多幾粒眼瘡。好，下一個第8條啦。Which statement best explain why meta-analysis are often considered high level of evidence? Meta-analysis 做啲咩㗎？要啱嘅，係啦，佢係 pull results of single independent study， 佢嘗試去有一個 more precise estimate of the effects。Okay, but it depends whether the study have high internal validity 啦。Okay， 唔識嗰啲溫書記得係 pool estimate、effect size、effect estimate。好，繼續。A researcher wants to strengthen internal validity in a digital psychology trial. Which modification would be the most appropriate? Internal validity。我教你點樣去 appraise intervention 㗎。係咪一路都係個一個人？佢咪永遠都係答最後嗰個嘅？係啦，你要 make sure 你個 protocol standardize 之後你 monitor 嗰個 adherence 個 consistency 重點係啦。internal validity 咧要溫翻以南嗰套書 好，How many participants fail to follow the assigned treatment protocol? The primary impact on study finding is 呢個有啲 tricky 㗎。Surprising 好。我唔係講咗一次話 adherence 會點啊？個 intervention effect 會點啊 ？Decrease 係啦，咁你記得咯，我哋要識得學一個新嘅字喎 ，dilution、attenuation。我哋 dictionary 加多兩隻字得唔得啊？啊？嗱，唔關我事嘅，但係你要識多兩隻字啊！我都好驚俾人話，所以我估多咗隻字嘅都係啦。好。好 when investigator question whether study finding apply to population beyond the original sample, they are evaluating 呢個咧就唔係我教嘅，但係都有啲關我事。附送嘅。
係啊。
哈哈哈哈哈哈！呢個咧就係講緊 generalization 即係 external validity。記得咯喎 ，generalizability 就係 external validity，whether the study finding can be applied beyond the sample。OK？好啦，做下一題。A nurse noticed high rates of medication non-adherence among elderly patients and designed to investigate possible solution by developing structured clinical questions. These that represent the beginning of 哇唔識答真係啊！會唔會個1% 係你啊？我聽到啦，睇下啊！開始係咪有人好曳啊？睇翻嗰個圖，109,000次嗰幅 EBP 嗰幅圖，第一個 step 係乜嘢啊？好。True false, assessing whether a study methodology is valid and free from bias. Is this part of critical appraisal? 教咗2堂 critical appraisal。OK，即係有10%可能瞓咗覺啫，我諗係啦。下一個，呢個係咪 critical appraisal 啊？個 finding 係咪 applicable to specific patient population？我相信唔係你啦。好。晒咁就 exam 就應該一定合格。翻去睇下書先。 係啦，啱啱嗰版，我陣間一齊翻去睇下 critical appraisal、trustworthiness、relevance、usefulness 啊，點會唔係咧？Okay, collecting new primary data to retest the original study hypothesis 係咪 critical appraisal 啊？嗯，好似都好難理解啲。我哋一路都冇去做一個新嘅 study，唔會 collect primary data。我哋係去揾一啲做咗嘅 study 啊嘛。啊，我哋唔係 collect new primary data，我又唔係做 survey，又唔係收 data。嗯，好，最後呢一個 evaluate whether study results are both statistical and clinical meaningful 係咪 parts of critical appraisal？上回我有列到 example，就算個 p-value 細過等於0.05，但係我哋要去睇下個 effect sizes 究竟係咪 meaningful 啊嘛？都做唔到100分喎，我哋下一題再接再厲。Critical appraisal in evidence-based practice primarily involve definition。多咗個答 C 嘅人喎，因為應該另一位朋友係啦，嗰張 slide 有 definition 嘅嗰啲 keywords 喺晒度啦 ，validity、reliability、generalizability、applicability、relevant、trustworthiness、value、usefulness 有嘅生字都同我記晒佢嚇。OK，a clinician encounters new level of high-level evidence that differs from current protocol. Patient expressed concern about recommended treatment, which action best reflects evidence-based practice. OK，咁係唔可以 replace 啦。咁我哋科技日新月異，亦都要去重新 appraise 一啲 new evidence，去睇下 relevance，睇下可唔可以 modify 我哋嘅 care 嘅。好，最後啦，差唔多。Once relevant research evidence has been gathered, the next phase 又係嗰個圖啊，嗰個 cycle 啊，你 gather 完 research evidence，next step。哦，critical appraisal 啊，critical appraisal 做啲咩啊？你睇我出幾多題？ 我好好温書咯喎。Which situation illustrate a limitation inherent in the research evidence that may hinder application in practice? Research-related 嘅 limitation barriers。啱先都有提醒到而家嘅現象，我哋要快啲啊！陣間老師嚟啦。記得啦，依家咧 research-related barriers 好多時候就係 small study、small sample size、non-representative、can't generalize to beyond the sample、beyond the study sample。最後一條 MCQ。A researcher randomly assigned participants to receive either a new medication or standard treatment and compare outcome between groups. The design primarily allowed the investigator to 呢個係咩 design？ 呢個 design 可以 support 到啲乜嘢 ？guarantee 到啲乜嘢？最後一個機會啦！correlation 係呢個做嘅咩？翻去温以南嗰堂書，冇聽以南書。RCT 係嗰個 cause effect association relationship 啊嘛 causality 啊嘛，可以做呢個 inferences 啊嘛。OK， 翻去睇翻 RCT 嗰一版。哇！呢、個嘻嘻嘻嘻 A 好好喎，一定合格啦！
我唔識嘅。
恭喜！40條 MCQ 咧，咁好多都喺呢我個 part 嘅喎，咁我盡咗人事嘅咯喎，係啦。咁我哋咧又去睇下其他咯喎。最後，睇下先。好啦，我話我有一條 shortcut 啊嘛，咁我哋而家練習一下，我都唔記得咗。睇下先。好，咁咧，譬如我依家教咗你睇 abstract 啦，咁喺 abstract 度咧，可唔可以同我講得出 independent variables？dependent variables 係啲乜嘢啊？咁我咧驚你睇唔到，我放大咗 objective。IE 係咩啊？independent 嘅 variable 係啲乜嘢？個 intervention 咯，嗰個 my pace 咯，係咪啊？嗰個抽好長嘅名，就係個 independent variable，係咪？dependent variable 係咩啊？independent 嘅 variable 可以係咩啊？variable 其實嗰啲 outcome 咯，outcome 有好多喎，一抽喎，按後邊嗰啲 balance mobility psychological well-being 咪就係個 dependent variable 咯。好，快啲消失先呢一題。OK，咁之後咧，呢個講咗啦，唔得喎，要翻去上一版。除咗咧要識得分啲 variables 之後咧，啱啱我有一頁咧就講 bias。咁啊，我哋咧一定要 scenario base 俾咗你咯喎。你睇完個 abstract，理解咗人哋呢個 study 做啲乜嘢，咁我哋就 critical 你去諗下有咩 potential bias， 唔可以好 general 嘅喎，要有 example 嘅喎。等我俾個 example 先。譬如呢個係 behavioral trial，咁咧可能 有 performance bias 啦，係咪？因為啲 participant likely 都知道自己 receive 緊啲乜嘢 treatment，係啦。咁 in the intervention group 嗰啲 participant may be more motivated to practice the skills，所以佢哋就會 report higher improvement。咁呢個就可能係個 performance bias。咁另一個問題啦，我哋睇下啲 outcome，有 balance 啦，有 mobility，有 psychological well-being。psychological well-being 通常係點 measure？咁你可以睇仔細啲，通常都係啲 self-reported questionnaires。咁會 subject to 啲乜嘢啊？reporting bias 係啦，佢唔係一個 objective 嘅 measurement 㗎嘛。咁你話 mobility balance 就話可能有啲 objective assessment 啫。咁 psychological well-being 就冇啦。好啦，之後你再睇得仔細啲咧，嗰個 abstract 咧，你仲可以睇到佢啲可能 sampling method 佢喺邊度做 recruitment。咁你可能就會諗到有 selection bias 啦。再睇得仔細啲喺個 result section，你可能咧會睇到個 attrition bias 啦，或者你留意下人哋個 follow up period。喂，如果係 follow 一個 participant 2年、1年嘅話，你會 expect 個 attrition bias 會高啦。因為咧，通常佢哋都唔會咁好同你填咁多問卷，仲要咁 long period of time。係啦，速戰速決最好噶嘛。好啦，仲有做呢啲 behavioral trial， 好多時候咧都會 subject to contamination bias。有機會有個 situation 就係去參加呢個 yoga，自己喺出邊咧又參加咗好多興趣班，咁樣未有 contamination 咯。咁嗰啲你冇 measure 到噶嘛，係啦。仲要睇下有冇 detection bias，睇下嗰啲 assessor 係咪 blinded。差唔多啦。最重要就係啱先有條 MC 嗰個 RCT 嘅 feature 有啲咩 characteristic， 翻去留意下。RCT 有啲咩好啊？佢有 randomization 個 balance 報翻，令到佢哋有 comparability，去 minimize selection bias， 同埋去 test 個 causal influence。啱啱 MC 同你哋溫咗書咯，錯咗嗰啲同學仔要留意啦。咁我哋去到呢度完啦，我都冇得組啊，因為太多 content 啦。好，咁我叫老師差唔多。